Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Namaste. Jai Hind. Good afternoon everyone. Suraj, good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon everyone. Okay, so today we will do calculations, fast calculations, so untangling calculations. जयेश, गुड आफ्टरनून. गुड आफ्टरनून. अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बता दो, फटाफट से क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई है. मिस्टर अननोन, गुड आफ्टरनून. So, I'm starting with the calculation techniques. Okay, so first thing, right, apart from many other things, additions, subtractions, right, few squares, cubes you need to memorize. Tables are also important, right? Okay, people generally ignore this. Okay, they generally waste time calculating there. They actually multiply there, right? So tables, okay, I will tell you what is to be done, right? Exactly. Not that, right, I have drawn 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 4. Okay, that you definitely should know, right? Multiplication of tables of digits, but tables up to 20 at least, right? At least up to 20. Okay, so if I say that you should know at least up to 20, tables up to 20. So this is minimum, right? 20 cross 10. Okay, and apart from this, right, that 20 up to 20 you should know the tables. Okay, so okay, now I think you have only one class per week with me, right? That is at Wednesday, and on this YouTube channel, right? Plus there is one Friday logic going on. So next week I will take few important questions, right? So there are few classes we are starting with on app also, right? There will be few classes on right, that I will be taking on app. Okay, you can just see, go through the schedule. There is no this previous year CAT question series is no more there. So but there will, I will discuss few questions from previous year CAT, right, in the normal uh, sessions also. Okay, so now, so first focus about this. Okay, this is some important things I will tell you, right? I will not waste your time, don't worry, right? Okay, so minimum up to 20 you should know the tables, right? Then apart from those tables, right, I'm telling you the technique that you can handle tables up to 100. Okay, tables up to 100 or 99 you can say, right? That you can do. Whereas, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, so apart from this up to 20 tables, so what you would be doing, that tables up to 100, how can you answer, right? That you can answer very fast. That is, let's say 37 into 8, right? What you need to do is 240 plus 56, that is 296. Okay, so you can answer it very fast. What I am doing is 3 into 8 is 24, you know. So I am just adding 240 plus 56. which is 7 into 8. Right? I think you are getting this. This is very simple technique that you can answer, right? All the tables up to 100. Right? Up to 100, you can just read the table very fast, right? With a little practice, you can answer it very fast. Okay, just see. I'm writing again 43 into 7. So it is 280 plus 21, so 301. Right? Okay, just think it as 280 because 4 into 7 is 228, so 280 plus 21, so 301. You need to add only, okay, a two-digit number, right, to a number which is ending in a 0. So that is addition is going to be very simple, so you can add very fast, right? Okay, just see, right, if I write 63 into 8, okay, what it will be? 480, 24, so 504, right? Easy. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Yes, tell me if you are getting this. Yes, if any doubt you can ask. Okay, so let's say I will write few more for you, right, so that you can practice or just answer it. 48 into 9, right? 38 into 7, or 73 into 8, or 84 into 6. Okay, just give me the answer to these. Right, answer to these questions quickly. Right, you will answer. Yeah, first step. Okay, we will just quickly move to the next one, right? Because I don't want to waste time on this. This is your practice that you need to do, right? You need to practice this. Okay, so this is going to be 360 plus 18, so 378, right? Okay, are you getting this? Okay, are you getting the audio and video perfectly? Okay, is there any problem in the communication? Right, I'm not getting your response actually. Write your comments. Okay, so 210 and 56, so 266. Right, 560 and 24, so 584. Array, great, Gaurav, very good, very good, very good, good, ready, thank you. Right, so 480 and 24 and 504 again. Array, very good, very good. Okay, so I hope this method will help, right? Just practice a few, right, and you will get it very fast, right? Good, Suraj, very good. So let's move to the next one. Okay, next thing, right? Apart from the tables, okay, I'm just focusing on the basic things here, right? I'm not getting into big things, right? There are many things in calculation. So we can do n number of lectures on calculation, but the point is that important part I am telling you. So tables would be very important. So you should memorize up to 20 and then you need to practice a few about this method, right? This method is really going to help you, right? This is going to help you, believe me. Okay. So now the next one, okay, squares, right? Squares help you. Squares, cat, there have been few instances that cat has asked question on squares directly on the logic of the square, right, on the basic logic of square. right? Those squares you must know, right? For that you should memorize the squares up to 25, right? Up to 25 you memorize. If you can do up to 50, that's great, right? That would be really helpful, right? But up to 25 is must, right? Minimum up to 25 you should memorize. Okay. Then after that, 50 plus minus whole square. Okay. So if I say 54, I'm talking about now from 25 to 75. If you want to do from 25 to 75, how you can answer quickly, right? Just see that if it is 54 square, right? Look at it as 50 plus 4. Write instead of 25 plus 4 and square of 4. Okay, see, very easy. Instead of 50 plus 4, you will write 25 plus 4, and with that you will write 4 square. Right? 54 square would be 2916. That is 50 plus 4. Change it to 25 plus 4, and with that write 4 square. Right? That will become your 2916. Okay? Right? Okay, so let's, okay, keep telling me whether you are getting it. If you get any problem, you can ask me. Okay, so let's move to 57 square. Okay, 57 square, right? Yes, it's from 25 to 75 that you can handle with this, right? From 25 to 75 you can handle with this, right? Okay, so 57 square. 50 plus 7, you will write 25 plus 7 and 7 square. Okay. Yes, ready, Sagar ready. Okay. Yes, 25 to 75, this will work. Okay. Now see that how it is going to work from 25 to 75, right? From 50, okay, onward to 75, it will be plus. That means if you write 63 square, right, which is 50 plus 13. So you will change it to 25 plus 13, that is 38. But 13 square is going to be 169. So 1 would be carry, and 38 plus 1 will become 39. Right? See, 25 plus 13 is going to be 38. But 13 square will have 1 carry, because you will be writing the square in the last 2 digit only. Right? The square part you will write in the last 2 digit, and whatever is carry you will give it to the next. So it will become 3969. Have you got this? This is okay. If this is clear, everything will be clear in this part. 25 to 75. Okay, the concept of carry. So if there is a carry in the square, that is the third digit. Okay, 2 digit it is okay. Right? You can write it in the last 2 digits. But then third digit will become a carry, and it will be added to that part, the remaining part. Okay. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more on this. That is 69 square. Okay, or 68 square. Right? Now it is 50 plus 18. Where 18 square is 324. So you will get a carry of 3. So 25 plus 18 should be 43. You will get 46. See, here it should be 25 plus 25 plus 18, which is 43, right? But here it is 18 square, which is 324. So you will get a carry of 3. So this 3 will be added here to get 46. right? Are you getting this? Yes? So now the same thing which we did for 50 plus, you can do it for 50 minus also, right? The same thing, right? There is no change. That means if you write 46 square, it is 50 minus 4, 50 minus 4, you write 25 minus 4 and 4 square. Just see, this is 50 minus 4, you write 25 minus 4 and with that you write 4 square, right? Same thing. Earlier it was plus, now it is minus, right? So 50 plus 4, now it is 50 minus 4 and 4 square. So very easy, right? Simple. Okay, with this you can now do it till, okay, 41 square will be 50 minus 9, 40 minus 9, 25 minus 9 and 9 square, right? So 1681. So with this method, you can actually do squares from 1 to 75, actually 25 to 75, 1 to 25 we have memorized, 25 to 75 we will do with this method, using this method, right? Okay, so after 75, what it will be? Okay, let's talk about 75 to 125. Okay, let's talk about 75 to 125. Okay, so if it is 75 to 125, it is 100 plus minus a square, right? So what we will do now, 104 whole square. So it is 100 plus 4. So you add 104 plus 4, that is 108, and write 4 square with that. See what I am doing, 104 plus 4 and 4 square. Okay, just see, super duper easy, right? That's why I have written squares are super easy. 26 square is 676, that is easy, right? We know up to at least 30, but let's say I will tell you with the method also. If you do 26 square, right, it is 50 minus 24, so you will do 25 minus 24, okay, 25 minus 24, which is 1. But because 24 square is 576, so there will be a carry of 5. 1 plus 5, it will be 6. And the last two digits are 76. 24 square was 576. So 76 you write. 5 is carry. Right? 5 carry. And here 25 minus 24 was 1. Because it is 50 minus 24. So 25 minus 24 is 1. Plus 5, 6. But the thing is that 26 square is very easy value, right? Okay, the values are such, right, in square. Okay, I will write for you, right? The values in the square is, let's say if you have 21 square, okay, just see this. 21 square is 441, right? 22 square is, you know, this 484. 23 square, just I'm visualizing the things. 529. 24 square is 576. This we memorized. 25 square right in between, and now go upward. 26 square will be, last two digit will be same, so after 6 it is 676, right? I'm coming to that. 27 square, here 29. Now 29 after 676, 729 will be there. 28 square, right? 84 in the end, but after 729 it will be 784, that can be. 29 square, it is 41 here, so 41 here, after 784 it will be 841. right? Okay, this is like this. So here it was 20 square, which is 400. Now it will be 30 square, which is 900. So last two digits here will be same, right? You can just have a look at this so that you can memorize these squares, right? Okay, this will be helpful. Otherwise, calculating 29 square, right, is useless, right? You should know it. 41 is the value. Okay, just see. Now come back to that. Aditi is writing 103 square. Yes, I will write 103 square, right? Because it is 103 plus 3 and 3 square is 09. So you will write the square in the two digits. Okay, this is 103 plus 3 and this is 3 square. Square part you will write in the two digits. Third digit will be given carry, right? If there is only one digit, put a 0 with that. Okay. So 107 square, 107 plus 7, 7 square. 108 square, 108 plus 8, 8 square. 109, 109 plus 9, 9 square, right? But the problem is, let's say 113 square. 113 plus 13 is 126. 126. I am writing 127. Why? Because 13 square is 169. So 1 will be given here, right? Instead of 126, I am writing 127 because of the carry part in the square. Because 13 square is 169, there is a third digit 1. 1 will be added to that 126. So it will become 127. Are you getting it? Right? I hope you must be getting this. Okay. Now, okay, you can do these all square up to 125, right? You can do squares up to 125, right? 100 to 125. The negative part, okay, 100 minus is also same, right? I told you that we are going to do squares from 75 to 125 now. So 100 to 125 you can do like this, right? Yes, easy, right? So you can write 118 square. 118 square is 118 plus 18, 136, but 18 square is 324. So it will become 13924. Why? Why? Because it is 118 plus 18, 118 plus 18, and there will be a 18 square which is 324. So 3 would be carry here. This carry would be added here. So 139 and 24, right? So this would be right easy. Okay. So 100 to 125 you can handle with this method. Okay. Now I am coming back to, right? Coming back to 98 square. Okay, 98 square is 100 minus 2. So you will do 98 minus 2, and minus 2 square is also 4. This is 98 minus 2 and minus 2 square, right? Okay, the square is in the last two digits. I told you. So that means if you write 93 square, 100 minus 7, so 93 minus 7 and 7 square, right? It is 100 minus 7. So 93 minus 7 and minus 7 square, right? Okay, the same thing what we were doing as plus, now I am subtracting, right? Okay, so that means what will be 91 square? 100 minus 9, 91 minus 9 and 9 square. Okay, So if I come to the carry part, let's say 86 square. Now it is 100 minus 14. 86 minus 14 is 72. But I am writing 7396. Why? Because 14 square is 196. So 1 will be the carry. Right here 86 minus 14 should be 72. But 1 carry. So that's why it is 73. Right? Okay, this whatever carry part or subtraction I'm writing, you should not write. You will do it orally, you will directly answer the question. Right? Okay, with practice, you will answer it directly. Like that, you know. Right? You have memorized the tables or squares. Right? It will feel as that you know all the squares. Right? Because you can answer everything. 88 square is 7744. Right? Why 77? Because 88 minus 12 is 76. But 12 square will have a carry of 1. So 7744. Right? Similarly, 87 square will be 877569. Why? Because 87 minus 13 will be 74. 1 carry 7569. 13 square is 169. Right? So like this, when you know the method and you have practiced, then you can answer it very quickly. Right? Very quickly you can answer. Right? You will be able to answer it. Okay? With practice. So with this method now what we have done, 1 to 25 I told you to memorize, 25 to 75 I told you the method of 50, 75 to 125 I told you this method. So that means you can answer all the squares from 1 to 125 very quickly, right? Very quickly you can answer, right? Okay, now okay, so we have done few. I told you to learn tables. Right, I told you method how to memorize table. Okay, then the squares. Okay, squares easy. And now this will be right. Okay, one number magic we will discuss. Right, the concept of calculation. Okay, so here what will come in place of this star? Okay, star symbol. What will be there in place of this? Don't use your calculator. Can you answer it directly? A number into another number, there is something written in the answer option, right? And a digit is missing. Can you answer? Can you answer this digit, right, without using calculator? Without multiplying, can you answer it? Okay, here I am telling you the concept of actually digit sum, right? Digit sum. Okay, see, the answer is very simple. You can answer it directly. That if I know 3 and 6, 9, if 4 and 7, 11 and 8, 19, 19 means 1. Okay, why 1 I will tell you. Right, 6, 2, 8 and 1, 9, 9, so it is 2. Right, 1 into 2 should be 2. So the answer, digit sum of the answer should be 2. Right, okay, just see. 7 and 2, 9, 5 and 4, 9, 9 gone, 7 and 7, 14 and 1, 15. Adding what digit to 15 will make it 2. So 15 plus 5, 20 will make it 2. So 5 should be the digit. Right, if you use calculator and you check the answer, the missing digit should be 5. Right, so why I'm telling this 5? What is the digit sum? Right, how I am calculating that digit sum? Right, okay, just see now why I am cancelling 9. Right, okay, Just see now. That first thing is digit sum is nothing but remainder by 9. Okay, digit sum is nothing but remainder by 9. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the digit sum, right? This is because these are the single digit sum is same. But when you say 10, the digit sum is 1 plus 0, which is 1. And 10 divided by 9, the remainder is 1. 11, the digit sum is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided, now 11 divided by 9, the remainder is 2. Right? 17, the digit sum is 1 plus 7, 8. 17 divided by 9, the remainder is 8. Right? 32, the digit sum is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 32 divided by 9, the remainder is 7. So remainder is 5. 9 into 3, 27. Remainder is 5. So digit sum is nothing but the remainder when the number is divided by 9. Right? Remainder by 9. Okay, that is your digit sum. So digit sum when you add all the digits. Okay, divisibility rule of 9 is you add all the digits. Right? And when you add all the digits, right, and then divide by 9, you will get the remainder. And that is the digit sum. Okay. But when you add and you finally divide it by 9, so why are you adding 9? Right? Because adding 9 and then taking a remainder by 9 will not make a difference. Right? See, if the number is 17, if you add 17 plus 9, 26, the remainder by 26 will also be 8. Right? So adding 9 or not adding 9 won't make any difference when you take remainder by 9. Right? So you should not add 9. So what I was doing, I was removing, right? Okay, just see. I was removing whatever adding up to 9. See, 3 plus 6 is 9. So I was not adding 9. So remaining digit I added. So that was 4 and 7, 11 and 8, 19. 19 is 9 again, 1 and 9. So don't add 9. So 1 is the digit sum. Right? In the second case, 9 is already there. So don't add 9. 2, 1, 3 and 6, 9. So don't add 9. So the remaining is 2. So the digit sum is 2. Right? Don't add 9. Whatever add up to 9 or a multiple of 9, don't add that because that will not change the remainder by 9 and hence the digit sum will be same. Now digit sum can be added, subtracted or multiplied. Here we are multiplying. So multiplying, so 1 into 2, the digit sum of the resultant should be 2. So whatever my answer will be, the digit sum must be 2. Okay. So I added the remaining digits. Right? 9 I am not adding. 7 and 2, 9 I am not adding. So what is the remaining? Okay, 5 and 4, 9 I am not adding. What is the remaining? Remaining is 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15. Right? 15. 15 means 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. So wait a minute. 7, 7, 14, 14 and 1, 15. Okay. 15 is 5 plus 1, 6. Now in 6, what should I add? In 6, what should I add so that my digit sum become 2? Right? In 6, what should I add so that my digit sum become 2? Right? So 6 plus 5, 11. 11 will be 1 plus 1, 2. Right? So my digit here should be 5. My here digit should be 5. Because other than 5, no digit can give me the digit sum as 2. Right? Because 6, now 6, whatever you add digit, right? First it will make 9, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2. Right? So 3 plus 2, 5. Right? No other digit can make it 2 now. Okay? Okay, this process is actually to eliminate the answer option when you multiply. So what answer should be there? Digit sum you can check. Right? If you want to check sometimes, so what should be the product? So you can check the digit and by that you can eliminate the option. Right? Elimination can be done. Okay. So let's see right? Okay, can you, okay, you give me any value, right? Okay, I have written the numbers for you, right? So one of you give me any value, right? You will give in this format any number into any number, right? And write the result. You miss out any one of the digit, any one of the non-zero digit you miss out, and tell me all other digits and any order, right? So we can answer that. Okay, this magic you can show to your younger brother sisters, right? Okay, so you can tell them, I'm telling you in the form of magic now. Okay, just tell me any one number. Okay, anybody, any volunteer, you tell me any one number, then second number which we need to multiply, and then the result with one number missing, one digit missing, any from anywhere, right? Okay, great. Reddy, he has given me the question, that is 278943211, right, into 4. Okay, wait a minute. I need to, not able to see that. Yes, it is into 467790875. Now, Reddy, Sagar Reddy, you need to give me the answer also with any one non-zero digit missing, right? You should give me that digit also. Okay, one digit missing. Okay, you need to tell me the answer with one digit missing. Only you answer, nobody else, because otherwise you will give me the digit also. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Tell me the answer with one missing digit. One star you can put. I will tell you that digit immediately. Tell me the answer also with one digit missing. Quickly, okay? You are taking too much time. Oh, this is problem. Okay, anybody else can answer this with one digit missing, one non-zero digit missing. Okay, so nobody is giving me the answer. So anybody else who can give me the other question otherwise? Okay, Suraj Vishkarma has given me another question. Okay, another question is 24368. Okay, and 13968. Okay, and it is 340-72224. Okay, so it should be 3. Okay, the missing digit should be 3. Suraj, it is correct. Okay, checks this whether Suraj, this is correct or not. Yes? Okay, kindly confirm you have given the question, right? Whether it is correct or not. Okay, great, great. So, so you can show this magic to your younger ones. Okay. So the point is that you should be clear what is happening. Digit sum, right? Digit sum, right? You tell any number into any number. I can answer you, right? Okay. Before you can check with your calculator. Okay. Right, so this will be very fast process if you can think clearly. So actually what another thing that I have used here, right, that is that when it is okay, just see that 1 and 8 9, 6 and 3 9, this is also 9. So if the digit sum is 9, which is all multiple of 9s, right, all multiple of 9s, right, then you need not to check the other one because the answer will be a multiple of 9. Okay, so here 7 and 2 9, 4 and 2 6 and 3 9. So remaining is 4 and 2 6, so 3 9. Okay, so I quickly check that. Okay, all nines in the second number, so that means this should be a product of multiple of 9, so that the answer must be a multiple of 9, right? So I quickly check that, right? So the missing number should be 3, right? Okay, great. Great. So this is a very helpful concept, digit sum, right? Digit sum is going to be very helpful. Okay, then, okay, just go through all this, whatever I am telling you. I am telling you only the important part, right? There will be, if there would be any other class, so I will tell you certain things, the smart multiplication concept, right? One thing I can tell you here also, right? Try to make the numbers easy. So you can actually convert the multiplication, convert the calculation in to your advantage, right? How? So something like you make it a habit, right? Something like if it is given that 34 into 59, right? And you don't know how to multiply 34 or 59, you don't know the table of 34 59, let's say, right? So what you can do, you change the 34 to 17, half of it and double of it. So you multiply the table of 17 is easy, right? 17 into 8 136, 17 into 11 187, and 13, so 200, right? I think so. Just check it. 17 into 11 is 187 plus 13, right? Okay, so my point is just that you can change the right numbers. Okay, yes, Suraj, I will take few questions on CAT definitely, right? Okay, so I will try that as many questions as possible, so I would be able to take, right? Okay, then today this was okay the agenda that I will discuss few things about calculation, digit sum, right? Okay, so I think I will be able to take only right one session per week in this particular series, this particular medium. So here I will take more question in that session, right? More question in that session. So I will try to. Okay. So yes. So see you in the next session. Thank you. And there are something. Okay. So these are the agenda. So we have this quantitative Wednesday, right, at 1 p.m. every Wednesday, and you have this Friday logic also, right? So this Friday logic, right, at 2 p.m. Okay, and these are the courses, that is CAT for CAT 21 and CAT 22, both courses are going on, right? CAT 22, we have started with batch 5, right? That I am taking with Saral sir and Sanojam sir, right? Both of my favorite, Saral sir and Sanojam, both my favorite. So I'm taking with that. And here, CAT 21 2 months crash course is also started. That is taken by Pranav, Gaurav, and Nikita, ma'am. Okay. So, and this is a special exclusive batch for SNAP and MET, TISNET, IFT, ZAT, right? That is other than CAT, all other exams, right? For those, this batch is started. Now, this batch is taken by Pranav sir, Gaurav sir, and Pradeep Sen Gupta. Okay. Yes. So these are the courses, CAT courses and other MBA CAT courses of our online classroom program. Okay, so CAT 2021 and 2022. So broadly, we have categorized it to percentile booster and complete course, right? So complete course for 22 are going on, right? Batch 5 we have started. Okay, so these are the mentors who are guiding you with me, Pranav sir, Saral sir, Nikita ma'am, Sanojam sir, Gaurav sir, and now Pradeep Singh Gupta sir also. Okay, and do like, comment, share. Okay, so I've taken class after a long time, so I think there were less number of live users, but you need to increase that. Okay, kindly share the session. Okay, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook. You can join us on Telegram. Link is given in the description. So download the app of BYJU'S exam prep app, and you can subscribe the channel also. Okay, do subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Namaste. Jai Hind.